Harry's backhoe. Digging out the horses a place to drink. And the cows too. What kind of backhoe is that, Harry? Is that a case or a caterpillar?
Caterpillar.
What model is it?
I think an 8.
Number 8?
Yeah.
Is it a 2-foot bucket?
Yeah.
What kind of hydraulic cylinders it got on it?
I don't know.
Does it work real good?
Yeah.
Do you gotta keep it greased? How many run hours you got on that thing?
2.
Does pretty good, don't it? How big a pile of dirt can you move in an hour like that?
Just all of that right there.
Runs quiet, don't it?
Yeah.
Where'd that come from? Where'd you buy it at? Was that Luke's and you just borrowed it?
Luke's.
They do pretty good on rock.
Yeah, there's rock down in there, but I'm keeping it down in there.
Caves growing, ain't they?
Yeah.
Can't hardly curl a bucket, can you? Need one of them thumbs on there. Reckon that'll hold it till it comes a big rain?
Yeah.
That ought to do it, oughtn't it?
Yep.
The spring's still putting out the water, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
Thank God for that. Good water, ain't it? You gotta wash your bucket and clean it out, ain't you?
Yep.
Why that thing just runs so quiet?
Got on top mode.
I guess that's all the backhoe you're gonna get done today, ain't it?
Yeah.
Old cows worked on that grass on that side, ain't they? Somebody been spreading lime down here, ain't they? Who done that? It'd be a nice replacement heifer right there. Red white face, the old Hereford. Got all the markings. You got the old short horn roan. Don't see many of them around no more neither. Around this neck of the wood. Then you got these skunk cows, black with the white stripe down their back, white under their belly. You got one's got the red with the white stripe down her back. is out of the same cow, different bull, different daddy. These two black skunks are part Angus with a little bit of brown Swiss in their background history and some shorthorn where they get that white stripe. Shorthorn pretty stout blood. It puts a stripe on them a lot of times that way. Either come out speckled like a little roan, or some of the shorthorns are solid snow white. They'll hold that stripe sometimes like that. You never know when you cross one what color you're going to get with a white-faced bull or a Angus bull. This little red skunk here, she come out the white stripe. It's amazing a lot of time, different bloodlines crossing cattle that way, what color you end up with. We've had several different breeds of cattle over the years, several different bulls. We've had Herefords, Angus, Shorthorn, Brown Swiss years ago, milk stock. You take any milk stock like that, cross it back with a beef breed, Angus or Whiteface or something like it, and you get some darn real keeper heifers. Something that'll wing a great big calf off at sale time. That's what you want. Something that's easy kept, gentle, easy to handle when you're working, when you're deworming or delicing them. You want a calf on the ground, grows off quick. Been one of them years everybody's short on pasture, from what I've seen around this neck of the woods. Then you go down the road or up the road a little ways, go hour and a half other direction, people get washed away with rain. Go across the mountain, they get in floods. That's the way it is. Difference in the seasons, difference in the years. You just gotta take whatever you're given, go with it. You're not guaranteed nothing. You just gotta make the best of what you have. Utilize what you got. It's rather peaceful to come out and watch your cows pick. Back away from everything. Get away from all the rat race of the big city and the town, the blacktop and the concrete jungle. Come out to the fields and hills and hollers and woodses. Get out in God's country and take a look around. No hickory trees sure has growed in the last few years. Doesn't know what happened to it, they make a big one day. Pretty well straight. Get big enough years from that, it might make a barn post. We believe in sawing all our own timber and utilizing what you have on the place. If something gets storm damage, blows down, or dies, you can saw the tree down, have it cut into lumber or whatever it'll make, 6x6s, 2x4s, 2x6s lumber. Don't let it go to waste. Always a barn or shed needs repairs, or building need built, or something like that. You gotta use what you got. Get the backhoe put up, Harry?
Yeah.
Right. Good job.